Maintain speed on the conveyor. We have a large volume of brass pots incoming.
The magnetic sorting system is achieving high purity on the brass. Yes, BIF management will be pleased with this output.
Check the weight on this one. Looks good. Send it down. We need more bins over here. Check this pot. Looks like good quality brass. It is. Throw it on the pallet. Watch the magnet swing. Right there, slowly now. Clear on the left. Keep it moving. Watch the pressure on that gauge.
It's steady. Keep the feed rate up.
Watch the contamination levels right here. That's not pure brass. Okay, I see the difference now. We're clear on this side. Okay, send it through. We've got full ignition on the main burner. Maintain the fuel flow rate. Watch the heat on the left side. Dross is clear. All right, let's tap it.
The temperature is stable at 1250.
Good, log that adjustment. We are ready to proceed.
Confirmed, everything is nominal.
Flow rate stable at 300.
Confirmed. Keep it steady.
Noted. The transfer looks stable at Zone 3. Keep an eye on the temperature readings for the next batch.
Check the temperature on line 3. It's cooling too fast.
Confirmed. Adjusting the flow now.
Watch the heat on this one. All right, bring it over here. Clear the line.
Check the alignment on the third row.
Looks good from here. Calibration is holding steady. We've got a backup on the cooling jets. I see it. I'm adjusting the flow now.
Cycle complete on the lower flange. Ready for rotation.
All right, initiate the next sequence.
Okay, easy now. Clear on the left.
Bring it down.
Maintain the current flow rate through the number 2 manifold. We are still holding steady at 1500 degrees. We need to verify the measurements on this batch. They match the BIF schematic perfectly. The feed rate looks good on the monitor. Yes, but check the temperature on bearing 3.
The channel clearance here looks good. The diameter is within tolerance according to the specs. All right, we can pass this batch.
This automated system handles the recycled brass much faster than the old setup.
It really speeds up the polishing stage. Look at that shine. The voltage on tank 3 is stable.
Noted. The thickness looks good here.
Data logged for the batch. Quality check on the BIF taps.
They look perfect, sending them to the next stage.
Check the temperature on line 3.
It's holding steady at 95.
The chrome finish is flawless on this batch. I agree, the measurements are precise. Ready for final approval. Every tap undergoes rigorous inspection before it leaves the BIF facility, ensuring the highest quality finish.
Check the alignment on that next batch, please. Looks good from here. Yeah. Ready for crating.
The throughput is up 15% this quarter.
Excellent. The new sorting algorithm is working perfectly.
Set it down right here at location 3B.
Roger that, moving into position.
Okay, bring it left slightly. That's good. Lower it down now.
Got it. I'll secure this row.
These new BIF models are incredibly popular, Sarah.
Yes, the chrome finish is stunning under these lights. We need to restock aisle 4.
The mechanism inside here is completely new. Ah, that explains the smoother flow rate.
That's secure now. Torque is exactly right. Perfect. Ready for the next stage.
The pressure test results are showing green across the board.
Looks good. We can finalize the report now.
All right, shutting it down.